Well, good morning. It's now the 7th of June. It's the day before the air show. We just got into the club to activate GB0RAF, and weather's not too grand at the minute. Just got into the club. It's been absolutely throwing it down for the last probably good 45 minutes on the drive in. As you can see, the airfield's pretty wet. A couple of sorry looking aircraft there. It seems to be clearing up a little bit. I think everything's moving north, so it's quite noisy on the bands though. Fired all the gear up. Not a lot on the bands at the minute. I can't really hear a lot on 20. The rain's making things extremely difficult. Nothing UK down on 40. There's a smattering of stuff down on 80. But I think maybe these thunderstorms are putting a lot of people off. I don't know. I just brought up the thunderstorm map just to see what's going on. As you can see, there's quite a lot of activity around the UK. So we'll see how the day pans out. It seems the thunderstorms have gone. It's brightening up a little bit now. So I've just popped out of the shack, just have a quick look around, see what's going on the airfield. There's a few static displays in. There's a club over there, the tower. Right, time for a cup of tea, I think. Oh, well, it's midday on the Saturday now. I managed to get a bit in the log, to be honest. I think I've done about a page or so stuff there in dark writing. Been sat on 40 metres really for the last hour or so. Been fairly good. The band's not too bad. It's just beginning to drop away a little bit. And I think most of the stations are on the band that have probably worked them now. So I'm just having a little tune around. It's now 20 past 7 on Saturday the 7th. The air show prep's gone quite well. Just had a quick wander down the airfield. The weather's cleared up. A few Harriers there. It's quite a pleasant evening. Nobody around. I guess it's going to be a completely different story this time tomorrow. But yeah, absolutely heaving. There's a club over there. So it was absolutely hoofing it down with rain most of the morning, but it's turned out to be quite pleasant. Just stood next to a load of Mercs. Now 8:30 on the Saturday. It's not been too busy, I suppose. Got about, maybe 70 odd QSOs, nothing particularly exciting. There's a lot of special event call signs doing the rounds for the D-Day stuff. Not much overseas. Quite a bit down on 40, ventured into 2 metres as well. So quite a bit from there. Not much in the way of DX. Just worked a special event station in Brazil, the ZX14PE, which is part of the World Cup. That's about it at the minute. So hopefully the bands will open up a little bit later on. I'm just sat on top band having a little listen around there. There's not a lot going on, a lot of static crashing. So get myself a little drink of beer and we'll carry on listening around the bands.
traffic in front of us. I think we can see it closing. The AEA's job. Periscope to shoot that all is well under the aircraft. Close to the huge hull bay. 21,000 tons stacked up all along the way. I may be wrong, but I think you could have had your name in that last pass. I'm quite sure.
Sunday, the airshow date's about 5:30 in the afternoon, and I'm pretty well much wrapped up the GB0RAF calls now. I don't think I'll do any more on the air, so a thank you to any stations that may have worked with me that watched this video. Made approximately about 350 QSOs with the special event call sign, so I've got a pretty full log. Probably expect some cards through the post over the next few weeks, and I'll obviously reply to them. So thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much if I worked you on the air, and we'll catch you soon under the normal call sign of Golf 8 Fox Charlie. Thanks very much, 73s.